Welcome to another training session of STL programming language. In today's session, we will make more complex logics using AND and OR operations. So this will be our example for the today's lecture, and in today's session we will try to replicate this ladder logic in the STL. So let's start. As you can see that we have two inputs which are both in series to each other, so that's why we have to use AND operation. So let's start. First we will write and then again we have to use the AND operation. As you can see that in parallel to these two bits, there are another two bits which are in parallel with these two bits. So we have to use in parallel to make the bits in the parallel. In the STL language, we have to use OR operation. We will write O. Okay. So now we came here. Okay. So again we have to write an AND operation to make these two bits in the series to each other. There is another bit I0.4 which is in parallel to these bits. So we will use here OR I0.4. Now all of this logic is making this output Q0.0 goes high. So we will put equal sign . 0.0. So this is the equivalent of this ladder logic. Let's try to run it. So according to the ladder logic, in order to turn this output on, we have to turn on I0.0 and 0.1. So let's try. First I will turn on I0.0 and then I will turn on I0.1, and you can see that our output is high now. Its RLO is high and its bit status is also high. Other logic is if I turn on I0.2 and I0.3, it will also turn on Q0.0. So let's try 0.2 and 0.3, and you can see that our output is high. The other logic is if I turn on only bit I0.4. So let's try it. You can see that our output Q0.0 is high. So this is how we can write more complex logics using AND and OR operations in STL language. I hope you liked today's lecture, and if you liked, please subscribe to my channel, and till next video, take care and goodbye.